Hi, my name is Akriti, and today I'm going to give you a tour of this lovely 3.5 BHK apartment which is designed by Miss Ketki Tamare Monong Interiors. To start from the entrance, we have acrylic laser cut huge doors so as to make the door look taller in size and spacious. It helps us in cross and adequate ventilation. Moving forward, we have this safety door panel which we have used and it is done in tile texture. So there's a small area, fancy witches, and here you can place Papa. Foyer area in the entrance is made with laser cut agar wood with lacquer polish and charcoal. By the use of this, we not only maintain the symmetry of the lobby with the living area but also cover the main electrics with wood. The color changing chandelier that we see was an afterthought and was successfully executed by our team. The tall mirrors are placed above the shoe rack so as to make the entrance lobby look bigger. Now the study area we have created by designing an acrylic designer partition. So this is the study area. Here we have an Indian seating where you can relax, take a nap, do anything you want to do. Also, we have used profile lights in a manner that the study area looks more good. Veneer with melamine polish partially opens the partition wall and breaks the continuity of the living area with the dining area. This wallpaper that we see, this is made with a special paper. It looks like it's a wallpaper but it is not. And actually it is costlier than that. But we have tried to make it simple and have actually made it as per the room requirement by highlighting the sofa area also at the same time. The mandir area is nicely designed. It has bells hanging in front of it. The inside of this area is made with agar wood with lacquer polish. The main highlight of this area is the slate area. Here you can keep thalis. We have tried to accommodate this area with the TV unit design so that the room is also properly utilized and at the same time it does not look clustered by furniture. A special designer material has been used in the TV unit wall panel which is known as charcoal. On the wall we have used plain mirror so that the ceiling looks a bit bigger. The dining table is back painted with white Tiffin glass. Here, MDF board is in flowing pattern in white Duco paint and it is sandwiched between two tall mirrors. Automatically, the room looks luxurious and bigger in size. Now coming to my favorite section, the bar area. Here we can see we have wine glass holder and a nice focus light is coming, making the area look rich. We have this cabinet also where you can place your bottles. Also, provision is provided by us in the form of mini fridge. Here, MDF board in laser cut jali has been used in the ceiling to give it a designer look. Rexin is used in full length in grey color so as to make the room look bigger and give a cozy effect. Here again we have used MDF board in grey paint, sandwiched between the plywood, hence maintaining the symmetry with the TV unit wall panel. This section has been created keeping in mind the ladies of the house. So the huge spacious dresser unit you see is made with molding putty and brown polish on it. These lights also we have used so as to give it a vintage look. And there is also a storage space behind it. Now the wardrobe. So this is painted in white Tiffin glass and a sandwich between brown mirrors. And the same pattern followed till the end of it, giving it a whole complete unit look. The bed and the side tables are made in MDF white duco paint. So as to make this room look classy. Also, this bevel brown mirrors that they have used, this makes this room look luxurious and grand. The kids' room is made lively and playful. The bookshelf that we see over here is made in a haphazard manner so as to break the monotony of the room. The dresser unit is made in such a fashion that it gives a complete one unit look and also matches with the furniture. The curtains here we see, they are procured from mirror and goes with the wallpaper. We have created clouds from POP in grey Asian paint, and there is LED light behind it and special fiber optic flickering lights given in the ceiling for the kids to enjoy at night and to make the room look a bit more cozy. Also, the wallpapers are made in such a fashion that it smartly matches with the furniture of the room. Modular kitchen in acrylic glass laminates with the rose gold profile handles and carbon filter chimney. There is a tall unit also for storage purposes, and the profile handles have capping so that the sharp edges does not hurt our client. The artificial composite platform has been tried and tested before execution for healthy stains. Here you can see we have installed double sinks for dual utility purposes, for cleaning as well as for washing. The effect of the strip and the spotlights and the random openness of the wall cabinets makes the kitchen look a smarter design. Here we have used Hector's German tandem trolleys with soft closing channels. Bathroom ceiling is in PVC fiber, which makes the bathroom look better and helps it keep it clean by hiding the geyser inside the ceiling.
Honestly, when I came to know that it is a 3.5 BHK residential apartment in Harmony Signatures, Ghodbandar Road, Thane, I was a bit excited because the room sizes in this apartment, they are quite big enough and there was a lot to experiment. My clients, they were a bit skeptical about my decision as they wanted to go for a lighter tone veneer melamine polish. Whereas I was into two minds because I felt that for the combination which I am giving them for their living room, the lighter tone won't look that much great. Because veneer is such a material wherein you cannot afford to play with it because even a small change can spoil the entire look of the house. Honestly, I would say I was very lucky that I got clients like Nilesh and Naina because they were very much open to new ideas and experimentation, and they always had given me a very free hand when it came to designing their flat. And I think this is the overall result what we have got is because of that open-mindedness of my client.
So, of course, this is my dream house, and we bought this house. I mean, I bought this house because I fell in love with the layout of this house, and we had a lot of expectation in terms of how do we beautify it. The purpose of buying this house was I just like the entrance, the passage that we have, and I had lot of things in my mind that how do I beautify it. We did a lot of research, and of course I got in touch with Kirti, and she has helped us a lot. I mean, the time I booked this house till the time we actually started our interior work, it was almost 2 years. And she was in constant touch with us. She understood our expectation, like what I expect from this house, and I must say that she has delivered more than 100%. And I really love my house now.